Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Instinct 2 for golf. To begin, simply select the golf activity from your watch's main menu. Your watch will then automatically search for and display a list of nearby golf courses. Once you select your course, the watch will show you precise distances to the front, middle, and back of the green, helping you make informed club selections for every shot. Your Instinct 2 watch features Auto Shot, which automatically detects and records shot distances for most shots. For even greater accuracy, you can manually mark your shot locations to get precise measurements. This is especially useful for putts or chips. Additionally, you can easily keep track of your score and other vital statistics right on your wrist throughout your entire round. For a clearer picture of the hole, access the Green View feature. This shows you the actual shape of the green, allowing you to drag and drop the pin to its current location for more precise approach shot distances. You can also view distances to various hazards, such as bunkers and water, giving you crucial information to navigate the course strategically and avoid trouble. After completing your round, you can review a comprehensive summary directly on your watch. For even deeper insights, sync your data with the Garmin Golf app on your smartphone. This powerful app allows you to analyze your shot history, track performance trends over time, and identify areas for improvement, helping you refine your game and lower your scores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.